Hello everyone, again very good evening to everybody, and I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everybody. Just a quick confirmation please. Just a very quick confirmation on whether you guys can see me, hear me clearly, so that we can start with the mock analysis for this week, right? So I'm guessing everybody has taken the mock. Again, it was, how was it? Tell me. Sorry, again, this is not the answer, okay? Just mistakenly this I've marked this. This is definitely not the answer, as it is already read audible. Nagul, thank you so much. Again, very good evening to everyone. Mistakes, sir. Chalo, 27 score, average is 65. Each score has been increased, sir. Again, whatever change, if I do the change in each of the individual scores, so the same change will happen to average. So that means average will increase by 40%, then it will decrease by 13. So 40% of 65, 2 by 5, that is 40% of 65. That much increment, then decrement of 13. So 5 13s. So 2 into 13 minus 13, meaning average will increase by plus 13. So the 65 was the average. The new average is going to be 65 plus 13, which is 78, sir. Done and dusted. Option number B, sir. Option number B will be your correct answer. So again, let's mark this as the answer. Perfect, everyone. Very simple question to start with. Again, a geometry question. Chalo, let's see. The triangle ABC, I is the in-center. There is a triangle which is A, B, and C. So in-center meaning this is I, this point. Now what they're saying, the angle bisector of BIC meets at D. Okay, angle bisector of BIC, this is D. So the meaning this angle is equal to this angle. Now BID is 55. Okay, got it. So BID meaning this is 55 degree. Okay, so if this is 55, then this is also 55. They are asking BAC. Sir, this I don't know if I take this as A. Sir, we all know this is 110. So we know 110 degrees is 90 degree plus A by 2. So this is 20. A is 40 degrees, sir. That was the question. So that's my answer. Option number A, sir. Option number A, 40 degree is the correct answer. 40 degree is your correct answer, sir. Perfect. Ashish, very good evening. Very good evening. Chalo. So again, next one. Next one, sir. Chalo. Third question. In a circle, sorry, look, what is it? If a circle contains a square and the area of the square is this, it should have been given a little better. So ultimately, most probably, this is going to look something like this. Okay, this is circle contains. Sorry, extremely sorry, sir. I've just drawn the opposite. Circle contains the square, sir. So square will be inside. This is the diagram. Meaning, if it is inside, sir, that means this is your what? This is your diagonal. Diagonal is equal to diameter. I told you dia equal to dia in the classes, if you remember, right? So square area is 392. So area or A, the side, is equal to root over of 392. It is 196 double, meaning 196 is 14, double means root 2 centimeters. Sorry, meters. Meters. Okay. If that is the case, so diagonal is going to be root 2 of side. So 14 root 2 into root 2, which is 28. So radius is going to be how much, sir? 28 by 2, which is 14 meters. So they are asking area of the circle. If I know the radius, so it will be 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 2s are this, 22 into 28. 25 into, sorry, 25, if you don't know, you see, 25 plus 3, 25 minus 3. The best way to multiply. You can either do, so this is 625 minus 9. So 616. This is one method of calculating. Other method, from here you can write 56 into 11. So 5 and 6, 5 plus 6 11. So 616. That is also another way of multiplying the same multiplication. So again, whatever you do, option B is the correct answer. Again, let's not waste time. Moving on. Moving on, sir. Yes, Ramesh. Done, brother. Moving on to the next one. ये क्या है? Question HCF LCM. Chalo, let's see. LCM of the two numbers is 45 times their HCF. Sum of this, sir. LCM 45 HCF. So meaning, if HCF is X, this is 45X. Sum is 3220. So X will be 3220 divided by 46. So again, 7 से चला जाएगा sir, 70. So X is 70, sir. So HCF is 70. LCM is 45 times this. So this is HCF. So 45 times 70, that is your LCM. So again, I know HCF into LCM is equal to product of the numbers. One of the numbers is given as 350. So the other number I don't know, I'm taking N. So first things first, 0, this is 5 times, sir. 5 nines at this. So N is 630, sir. Done and dusted. Option number D, sir. Option number D, 630 is the correct answer. Again, this is your answer. Again, if you're enjoying the solutions, please do hit the like. That's the only request. That gives the session a little more reach. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one, please. Next one. A person invested 30%, 5 years, 150%. Interest is this, sir. 150% is this. So 100% will be how much? So 2475. 2/3 is this. So because 3 parts is this, 2 parts I need. Again, very simple. 3 8s are this, 3 25s are this. 1650 rupees. 1650 rupees. Again, option D, Delhi is the correct answer. Option D, Delhi is the correct answer. You see, very, very simple. Very, 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 very simple. Moving on, moving on, moving on. Next one. In which of pair has a sum of 21 and squares differed by this? Again, every pair has sum of 21. That means mainly I need to check difference of squares is 105. 14 square, 7 square. Sir, again, more than almost 150 difference. Cannot be. 15 square, 6 square, 225, and sir, again, it cannot be. If this cannot be this, then meaning, sir, this first number has to be less than 14, second number has to be greater than 7. Again, this cannot be. Only this is possible. And check, less than 14, greater than 7. So this has to be. And if you want to check, you just check 169 minus 64. Definitely 105. Definitely 105. Very, 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 very simple. Again, this was a free hit question. This was a free hit question. Moving on, sir. ये क्या दिया है? On a particular day in school, the number of present students were 50% more than the number of absent students. Acha, on that, we need percentage. Acha, then let's do one thing. Present and absent. Let's take these, because you have to remember, you cannot just say like 2 and 3, 2x, 3x, because there will be another percentage on that. So 100x ही लेते हैं. More than absent, so absent I'm taking 100x. So 50% more, meaning sir 150x. So total is sir 250x. Okay, let's see. Among the present students, 40% were girls. So girls and boys, 40%, 4 15s are 60. So these are girls. So boys are the remaining 90x. Now, 108 boys were absent that day. Okay, I'll make some equation with that value. Keep it in mind. If 40% of the girls were absent, okay, 40% of the girls were absent, then what is the total number of students in the school? Meaning ultimately I need the value of x. I need the value of x. That's the question. Because x into 250 will be my answer. But 40% of the girls were absent. Meaning 60, okay, so done. If 40% of the girls were absent, that means 60% was present. 40% of the girls were absent on that day. That means 60% of the girls were present, sir. That is given to you as 60x. Meaning total girls are 100x. Can I say? That means total girls, that is 100x only. Because absent girls are 40x. Because 60% were 60 present, so remaining girls 40x of 40% of the girls, meaning 40x is absent. So that means absent boys will be how many, sir? Boys absent, it will be 60x, which is given to as 108 in the equation or the question. So x will be, I don't need x, I need it 250x. So 250x will be into 250. So 0, 0 gone. 6 ones are 6, 6 eights are this. 18 to 50, 250, 16s are 400, 450s. So 450 is the correct answer, sir. Again, option number D. Again, option number D is the correct answer, sir. Option number D, 100% is your correct answer. Again, a very simple question, honestly. Very simple question, honestly. But again, the language was a little tricky, hutch-patch. But again, please understand, last year also in CGL main exam, we got so many questions of this type where they made some weird stuff with language. Given options, largest 5-digit number divisible by 63. 63 meaning 7 into 9, divisible by 9, divisible by 7. I'll check 9 first because it's easier to check. That's all. And what order? I will check the order because they are asking largest. So I'll check largest to smallest. So largest, 999, this one. This is divisible by 9. This is not. This is not. This is also not. Array. So it's a free hit, sir. I don't even need to check 7. Sir, only checking for this gave me my answer. Sir, only option 1 is even divisible by 9. So there cannot be any other answers. This is the only answer. Only possible answer. Moving on, sir. Sprinter completes 3 laps in this much times respectively. If he had maintained his average speed of the first 2 laps in the third lap as well, okay, then how many seconds earlier would he have finished the race? Achha, first things first, what is the average speed of the first 2 laps? Sir, average speed. Total distance by total time. Total distance, 200 meters twice, 2 laps. By time is 20 plus 22. So 400 by 42 or 200 by 21 meters per second. Now, he has maintained this speed while crossing the third lap too. So time taken for the third lap, will be, sir, 200 is the distance by speed is this average speed. So 200 by 21. So meaning 21 seconds, sir. Now, How much less? Third lap, he was supposed to take 27 seconds. He has taken 21 seconds. How much less? 6 seconds less. That is your correct answer. Option number C. Option number C, that he would complete the race 6 seconds early if he can maintain the average speed of the first 2 laps. Answer. Done, done, done. Moving on, sir. Moving on. Sir, touching each other externally, find the length of common tangent. Again, common tangent here, it can be only DCT, direct common tangent. TCT, again, length of TCT doesn't make any sense in this situation. This is root over of 4 R1 R2. Again, I've shown you the proof. He said D becomes R1 plus R2. So actually the length of DCT formula looks D square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. This is if they are not touching, they are like kind of separate. Now, if they are touching, then D becomes R1 plus R2. And if you put down this, so A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square, which gives you 4AB. That is how this formula comes. Again, remember it like this, you are less likely to forget. 18 and 32, sir. Sir, 4, I'll get 2 out. 16, I'll get 4 out. 18 and 2, sir. Again, that will give you, this 2 will go to 18, that is 36, meaning 6 out. 24 to 48, sir. Option B, 48 centimeter is the correct answer. Yes, Ramesh, perfect. Perfect, everyone. Very good. That's your answer. That itself is most definitely your correct answer. Let's move on, let's move on, let's move on. Sir, dishonest dealing, as I can see. Sold 25% profit. Sir, CPSP, dishonest dealing. 25% profit, meaning 4 rupee CP, 1 rupee profit, 5 rupee SP. But again, 800 in place of 900, meaning he is taking the money for 900 grams, but giving you only 800, whatever. So take the compound ratio. I cannot do anything. 32, 45. 13 rupee profit, sir. 13 rupee profit out of 32 rupees into 100, sir. Sir, let's calculate 4. 4 8s are this, 4 25s are this. 325 by 8, sir. 40% and 5 by 8. 5 by 8 stands for something. Correct. 0.67 or वैसा कुछ. Yes. So again, only 40 point something, only option C is there. So I'll just say that is my correct answer. I will not even look any further. Moving on, sir. Again, this one. Arav and Bhumi. Just a second. Machhar kahan se aa gaya? Arav and Bhumi invested 60,000, 40,000 for the whole year. Arav managed the business. Achha, active partner, sleeping partner concept. And entitled to a commission equal to 20% of the profit after charge. Acha. Okay. Acha, listen to this. Profit after charging of his commission. This is the, please understand. This is not the 20% of the profit. This is 20% of the profit after the commission has been charged. Mean, first things first, Arav is to Bhumi. It will be 3:2, sir. So this will be the profit sharing ratio because there is no time involved. So investment ratio is profit sharing ratio. But again, how much will be shared? Total profits are 120. 1,20,000. Okay. Now he has taken some commission. Let's take, he has taken X rupees commission. So this is the remaining amount or remaining profit after he has taken the commission. 20% of that, 1/5 of that is the commission, sir. They have, this is how they have made it. This is what this line means. Again, just calculate 5x and this is 6x equal to 120k. So X is 20k, meaning 20,000 rupees. This is the commission. Arab's income. Acha, so 20,000 gone from 120,000. So 1 lakh remaining. Of that, Arab will get 3 parts out of 3 plus 2, 5 parts. Plus this 20,000, because active partner always has income from 2 different sources. So this is 20, 60,000 plus 20,000. So the answer will be 80,000 rupees, option number D. Option number D, which is 80,000 rupees. Is this clear? You guys can get stuck in this question. And again, I'm saying exactly these type of games were played in CGL last year. So again, be very, very, very careful while reading the question. If required, read it twice. Not, but again, you have to, you don't make a mistake. That's the thing. Ramesh, that again, this was a trap only. This question was a trap only. You see, if I had given you the information for the previous question, if I give you the information correctly, na, everybody will solve it correctly. Because of the language, almost a big chunk will get it wrong. I don't know how many. I don't know. 53%. You see. The accuracy, if you see previous one 91%, previous one 82%, 82%, 97%, right? Suddenly you see this particular question, that was a trap question, almost 50%, meaning every two like student have tried this, one has got it incorrect. Okay, chalo, sir. Let's move to this. The present average of a team is this. After 6 years, the average will be 140. Sir. 140% of present, meaning increase of 40%. That is equivalent to 6 years. So 100% is the present average. That will be, sir, 100 by this is 5 by 100 by 40 is 5 by 2. So this is 15 years, sir. That is the average. ये भी कोई question था, right? Panmay, which one? Which one, brother? Tell me. Which one you want me to repeat? The previous question? The previous question? I'll repeat. Chalo, once more. The just Panmay has requested. Let's just understand this. Again, Panmay, you see the ratio of profits, profit sharing ratio is 3:2. But the whole thing is over here, the 20% thing. The 20% thing, sir. Okay? So meaning what they are saying, 1,20,000 rupees, that was the profit. Arav has got 20% commission, not on this value, but on the value which will be there after he has taken out the commission. So on this value, if X rupees is his commission, after he has taken out this value, if you consider 20% of that, that is his commission, that is X. So from there you figure out X is 20,000. You are getting my point? So meaning this 20,000 Arav will get, remaining 1 lakh rupees will get distributed on this ratio. The remaining 1 lakh rupees will be distributed. So from here Arav will get 60,000. And from here Arav will get 20,000. So total Arav will get 80,000. Done, brother. Done, brother. Absolutely clear. Absolutely clear, sir. Done, done, done. Chalo, perfect. Moving on then. Next question was also done. Next to next. Sir, 5 minus root 6, sorry, 2 root 6. Sir, this is 1 by. I told you 25 and this is 24, meaning like difference is 1. So if you do that, you will only get the reciprocal, like the complement, 5 minus 2 root 6. And this is, array, very good, cancels. 5, 5, 10 minus 8, 2 is the answer, sir. Option B. Option B. But make clear now that question, please let me know. If there is any doubts, please let me know. I'll again explain. No worries. No problem there. Perfect. Done, 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 done. Cylinder, 3D mensuration. Volume, 90% of the cone. Okay, sir. Cylinder and a cone. Sir, volume ratio is 90%. So volume and radius and height. So these are the only things. Chalo, let's see what is happening. Sir, volume, cylinder is 90%, meaning 9:10 is the ratio. Now, height of the cylinder is 1.2 times, meaning 6 by 5 times of the cone. Cylinder is 6, cone is 5. Okay. Sorry, not radius. Extremely sorry, sir. 6:5 for height. Now they are asking radius. Acha. So again, first you find the square of radius. So volume is equal to radius square and height, but there is a like 1/3 also. There is a 1/3 as well, meaning this 9 parts and this parts, I don't know. Let's do one, let's make our equation. Cylinder, that is pi into r square. R square I don't know, but again I know a few things. That is 72 is for this. This is in centimeters, not ratio. So r square is 72 square. Acha, sorry, this is for cone. Extremely sorry. So pi into, I don't know radius here, I'm writing r centimeter. I guess that is the question itself. Find the radius of the cylinder. Huh? So r square into h. H I will take as 6. And here 1/3 pi r square, that is 72 into 72 into h is 5, sir. That is given to you as 9:10, sir. Volume. Correct? So first things first, pi cancels. Acha, this 3 and this one, sir. 3/24s are this. Correct? 6/4s are this. 5/2s are this. 2/2s are this. So r square becomes 9 into 144. So r becomes 3 into 12, which is 36, sir. Done and dusted. Option number B, sir. Option number B. Wasn't X supposed to be 3 by 5? 3 by 5 where? Where 3 by 5, brother? I am not getting you. Pardon me, question number, please. Question number, please. Question number, please. Pardon me. Tell me. Which question number you are talking about? Tell me, brother. Just a second, everyone. Which question number, brother? Do let me know. Achha, first things first, this is 36. Okay. Previous question. No, everything is the same. Sure, pardon me. Definitely. Take a screenshot. I'll discuss. Okay, na? No worries. Do let me know. I'll discuss. Definitely, I'll discuss. Sir, two traders. Sir, mixes sugar and impurity in this ratio. Mix the mixtures in this ratio, meaning equal. 1:1, meaning equal amounts. The resulting mixture contains 32 kg more sugar than impurity. Okay. But again, you don't need to do anything because you see 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 1, 5. Automatically, these are already balanced. I don't need to do anything. I can say, let's take 5 kg or 5 parts rather, because there is a kg next. So 5 parts of first mixture with 5 parts of second mixture. So here, sugar is here and impurities is here. In the first five parts, in the first mixture, we have 3 parts and we have 2 parts. Here we have 4 parts, we have 1 part. So in the 10 parts, we have 7 parts sugar, 3 parts mixture, the impurities. Now they are asking the resulting mixture contains 32 kg more sugar than impurity. So that means this 4 parts, sugar is 4 parts more. So this 4 parts more is equivalent to 32 kg more. So 1 part is equal to, sir, 4 eights are 32, 8 kg. They are asking total mass of sugar in the final mixture, which is 7 parts. So it will be 7 into 8, which is 56 kg, sir. Option number B, sir. Option number B. Done and dusted. Done and dusted, sir. Clear, everybody? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one, please. A can do a work in 12 days, B in 25 days, work for RA, sir. No worries. Sir, total work will be done in 12 into 25 by 12 plus 25. These many days. Again, I cannot do anything. 300 by, this is how much? 47 days. Correct? This will be done in 300 by 47 days. Now, they have worked for 6 days. So, acha. 300 by 30, this many days, meaning every day they are doing 47 by 300 units. They have worked for 6 days. So they will complete how many units? 6. This is 50, sir. 47 out of 50 units they have completed. 1 second. One second, sir. Have I done any mistake? $300 being 20. अरे 25 को मैंने 35 लिख दिया. My mistake. Sorry. Sir, 37 it would be. Sorry, sir. So 37 by 50. 37 by 50. So this much work is done. So left will be, sir, 1 minus 37 by 50, which is 13 by 50. Because I'm seeing 3 by 50 I'm getting. I'm thinking, kaise ho sakta hai? Option number B is the answer. Option number B is the answer in this case. Done, sir. Done. Done, sir. Moving on. Again, a free hit we have got. A square plus B square given, this is given. So this means AB and this is B minus A. Ultimately, this means minus common A minus B by AB. Sir, we know A minus B. So that means this is minus 9 by AB. We only need to know about AB. AB, how to find? Sir, A square plus B square, I can write A minus B whole square plus 2AB. That is equal to 45. This is 9 square 81 plus 2AB. It is equal to 45. So AB becomes, sir, this is 35, 36 by 2 with a negative sign. That is minus 18. Put the value, sir. Minus 9 by, so the answer is 1 over 2, option number D, sir. Option number D, sir. 1 over 2, sir. Perfect, everyone. Not a difficult question. Rather, I'll say it's a very simple question. It is a very simple question. Next one, another time and work question. A can do 10% 4 days. So A can do the whole work in 40 days. B can do the 40%, 2/5 in 8 days. So total work in 8 into 5 by 2, which is in 20 days, sir. Both work together. Okay, then C is also there. So time ratio is 2:1. So efficiency ratio here will be 1:2. Total work will be, sir, again the usual stuff. Sir, A can do 1 unit a day and taking, sir, how many days? 40 days to complete. So total work is 40 units. Now the real story starts. They together work for 10 days. How much will be completed in these 10 days? Total together they complete 2 and 1, 3 units every day. 10 days they will complete 30 units. So 10 units is still remaining. This will be completed by C in 5 days. So meaning C's efficiency is 2 units a day. A and C will complete 60% of the same work in how many days? 60% of the same work. 40 into 3 by 5. This is total work. Now efficiency, who will do? A and C. A's efficiency is 1, C's efficiency is 2. So you will say, sir, 5 8s are this, 24, and this 3 cancels. It will be 8 days only. It will be 8 days itself. It will be 8 days itself, sir. Now this is a normal method. This is your normal method. Now again, if you are willing to look a little ahead, if you are willing to look, if you can look like this, देखो, I'm just showing you another way to think, not method, nothing, just a way to think. Sir, acha, if this 30 units are done in first 10 days, so this 10 units, like we need to complete. If the 10 units is what we need to complete, then B will also complete this in 2 days, like in 5 days. So efficiency of B and C both are the same actually. B and C both are actually the same person you can take, right? So again, A and C, again, if you can understand this without doing all these calculations, then you see if you can just figure this out, ki B and C actually is the same person. So you can simply say, so total work of that will be taken that can be that is required to for A and B together to complete. You will say what? So you will say this is going to will be totally, sir, 40 units divided by 3, and from there you subtract the first 5 days, I guess, or sorry, 10 days when they work together. Clear, everyone? And the whatever is the remaining, 60% also you have to multiply there. Otherwise, you will get a fraction. But again, you can do that later on as well. You can do that later on. So whatever is the remaining days, so if the work is 60%, time will also be 60%. If the work reduces, time also reduces proportionately. You can do like that. So it will reduce a little time. But again, the work of your brain will be a much more. Next one, please. Next one, please, sir. Shopkeeper buys this CP. Overhead, says overhead gets added to CP, we all know. 60, 40, 100, so 20, 100 is the actual CP. Acha, SP is given. So profit percentage. Profit is 252 out of 20, 100. Percentage into 100. 21 ones are this, 21 twos are this. 12% is the answer. Very simple. Free hit question again. It was a free hit question. ठीक है? Chalo, moving on. Next one, please. Next one, please. 93-meter long. 93-meter long. Bamboo is leaning against the wall, 60% angle with the floor. So this is 93 meters. This angle is 60 degree. Horizontal distance, they are asking this. So again, if this is in the 30, 60, 90 triangle, which is this one, this is 2 parts, this is 1 part, and this is a root 3 parts. If this is 93, so 1 part is going to be half of this. So 46.5 meters. That's the answer, sir. Option number A. Option number A, sir. Again, you see, you do not need anything more. You do not need anything more than this to answer. Clear, everybody? Clear, sir? Moving on to the next one. Moving on to the next question, please. Subtraction, again, there are different techniques to solve, but again, it will give you a pseudo quadratic. I feel do it normally. Let's say x is that number. Because what I am going to teach, or what I'm going to suggest you guys do, because look at the options. Look at the options and check for multiples. So 2, if this is the correct answer, so this is 76 by 83. 83, I cannot do anything about this. And in this side, this is 43 by 47. This is a prime number, not a multiple, and 76 is a 19 multiple, not possible. Not the answer. Again, if this is this, 77, if I put 1, by 84, 11 multiple, 12 and 7 multiple, 44, 11 multiple matches. This is 48. Ho gaya, sir. 11 sevens are this, 11, 11, sorry, 11 sevens I'm writing, sorry. Sir, 7 11s are this, 7 12s are this. 4 11s, 4 12s. 11 by 12, 11 by 12. Sir, option B is the correct answer. No need to do anything else. No need to do anything else. Option B, 120% is my correct answers. Done, done, done. Moving on. Next one. Sorry. A train crosses a platform whose length is 3 by 2 times of the train's own length. Own length, if I am taking 2x meters. So platform length is 3 by 2 times, meaning 3x meters. Right? So in order to cross the platform, the distance it needs to cover is 5x. Distance is speed into time. Speed is how much? 90 kmph. Convert this by multiplying 5 by 18 into time is 50. Sir, calculate 18 fives. 5, this gone. So x is 250, sir. They are asking find the platform length. 3 into 250, which is 750, sir. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Hello. Chalo. Cheesecake. Good name. Acha, midpoint. Again, coordinate geometry. Basic, very basic coordinate geometry. Acha, look at this. If you look for Z, all the coordinates are different. Or if you look for Y, all the coordinates are different. Same for X. Take any one. I'm taking Z. 8 is the midpoint. So again, so that means the other point, if I take x1, y1, z1. So z1 plus 10 by 2 must be, sir, 8. So z1 must be 6. Look at the option. So option C has only 6. That's the answer. That's the answer. Again, you can check for only x, only y1, only z. You don't need to do anything more than one. Don't try and do everything. Not required. Not required for you to do. Next question, sir. Root 256, so 16 plus 9 into 4 is equal minus square root of something. X is 90. So this is 100. So root x equal to 10. X is 100. So option D is your correct answer. And you see, our live mock for this week is kind of done and dusted. Right? No, nothing was there which could have given us a lot of trouble. But again, before I go, let me just again tell you guys about this. Again, we have just launched a couple of things. So the crash course is the one. Crash course has just been launched. I've taken just a couple of classes. This has just been launched. So again, if you are looking to just level up your preparation for in the last couple of months or last few months, I should not say couple. So again, this is the batch to join. I'll take a significant amount of sessions and all the other faculties will also do the same. Both options are there, English, both are there. Also, the practice course is also running. Foundation course is also running. Foundation course, most of the things will be in video format because live classes are over. But again, if you want all of these in a package, so you must go for the Super Elite. Okay. So Super Elite, I guess currently under offer, you will get the whole 1 year subscription in 1566 rupees. So that will give you the access to everything, the whole platform of Oliveboard, including SSC Super Practice tool, including the like mock test thing, including the AI analysis, vagera, the whole 360-degree study kit, everything you will get in this 1566 rupees, including all the past and present courses along with all the future courses for tier 1 as well as the upcoming tier 2. So again, please do check it out. You can go for the validities for 1 year and 2 years as well. It will respectively cost you 1566 and 1924 for 1 year and 2 years. Now, with that being said, thank you so much, everybody. I will again see you guys next week. And meanwhile, I'll keep on giving you short videos just as I'm uploading every week. Till then, thank you. Thank you so much. Then I will see you guys next week. Till then, please take care. And if you have any queries, any doubts, any feedback, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to help you guys with that. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.